Turbo Trading with head trader Robert Knight, MBA.
This is an educational video for the first pullback entry op to explain how it works for June 1st, 2023. Now, the first pullback entry op, I've done a lot of videos on this. It hasn't been as strong. I mean, the markets are always changing, and we're not getting strong follows. So this hasn't been as strong as it was in the past, but it seems to be coming back. Now, the first pullback, the rules to the first pullback entry up, stock spikes up and pulls back. And when it makes a green candle, you're looking for the next candle to make a new high. So this green candle here, next one is red, this is green, this is red, here's green, here's your pullback entry up right there, 41.65. Sure enough, it pops through it. So here's your green candle, here's your next green candle. That's the break. That's where you buy it, take the position, 41.65 there. And look at this, it got in a very strong rising channel, moved $2 from that level. So you can see that these are all red candles in here, so it pulled back, held support. Here's your first pullback, and away it goes. Now, this chart doesn't show a second pullback, but when you do also get a second pullback, that's as well as a good spot to enter. It's not as strong as the first pullback, but it's still pretty good. Anything more than that, like a third pullback entry up, fourth, don't bother. It's not reliable. So let's look at another one here, UCAR, which also gave us the first pullback entry up this morning. But this one again, so it was a bit of a fake signal here. Oops. Let's see if we can get that. So this is another example. So this car was quite strong in the pre-market on news. Then it pulled back, so it popped out. Here's your first move up. Not really counting this. This is the first move up, and it fails to go, pulls back. It does hold support in here around 475. But if we look at these are red candles, green, red, undecided, red, green, red, red. Here's your first pullback entry on. Here's a green, and then look at this next candle's green. There's your entry, 520. Now it didn't really go right away, but then boom, it took off. So you could even actually looked at it here maybe at 550, which was the high of day breakout as well. So you get, these are first pullback candles, two in a row like that, and then away it goes around to 950. So it was a $4 move. This one in here, maybe you might have been faked out by it. If you had stayed in the trade though, it did carry on. It wasn't really, it didn't really get a pop. You don't get the pop till in here. This is your opening, pulls back. You may have been faked out with that one there, but here's a strong buy saying here we pop, next one's green. Candle of indecision, but then away it went. So a couple of ideas, it's not an exact science. It's about interpretation and taking other things into consideration when you move, volume. But that's the first pullback entry opportunity explained.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Reach new levels of trading proficiency. Become a member at turbotrading.biz.